Xin chào, Nĩ Hà, hello and welcome to my channel Việt Mom Cooking. Today I will show you how to make Haluski. This is really a simple recipes. We need cabbage, onions, and half the stick of butter. Cilantro, onion, just option if you love it. Also, I boil some water to cook. Today we need egg noodles. So let me boost. I turn on medium high heat. I put some water inside and add water. Let butter melt in here. This is my dad's recipes. He made for my husband when my husband just a kid. So one time my husband said, "Can I make for him Haluski?" I said, "What is that?" And then he said, "Just egg noodle with cabbage." So let me cut some onion. When you use the knife, be careful. I just slice, and I already boil my water, so let me put my, today I just cook half of that egg noodle. You just cook the egg noodle until soft. This is really simple. Hopefully you check it out. So let the butter melt in here. So I slice some onions. You can use half onions or you can use whole onion. We use half of onions, and maybe you have a cabbage. Also, you can put some garlic if you like garlic. We just saute, and you use salt and black pepper for taste. This is super simple but yummy. Just slide. Just slide. Okay, now my butter melt. I just saute onions. If we need more butter, we put more butter. Get my it smells so good. When the onion a little light brown, we put cabbage inside. If you love cabbage crunchy, just saute fat quickly. See, simple. Also, I think maybe next time I try with tofu. can, if you love sausage, you can see the sausage, cook the sausage and put on top of it. Okay. My onions smell good. I will put my vegetable inside. Saute. This is so simple, but the taste yummy, yummy. In this saute, you can sprinkle some black pepper and salt. What? Black pepper. Black pepper. Sprinkle. Some salt. Sprinkle, sprinkle, sprinkle. And I think we will need more butter. So we will have first I just put 2 tablespoons and now I put 2 more tablespoons. So when you cook more noodle, more vegetable, more butter. Also you can add your more onion. You can use bubble onion, bubble cabbage. I love cabbage. After make it, I will show my dad. He will route. This is his recipe. So. And my husband will love it too. I decided to make it. In the back it says I just boil or cook the egg noodle about 7 minutes, but just keep an eye on it, don't get mushy. Yes, okay. This one. Also, if you love garlic, you put in, okay? Don't be afraid. Okay, I need to put 2 more tablespoons of butter because I want to I want to put the egg noodle inside so the egg noodle not stick on the pan. Also, the taste is better. Let's see how my noodle doing. I check my noodle like this. Just eating it. Almost stuck in it. I make a mess. Okay, my vegetable done. So this one done too. this one. Let me get the mic. Here. Take this one out. Then, if you love sausage, just see another pan and put on top it. Mix together. Okay, now we just put it. And then we just mix well together and sprinkle some more black pepper and some salt. Then you can add more if you want more taste. That's it. Amazing. This is amazing now. Smell good. And then I sprinkle some cilantro, more black pepper, ta-da! Look, Haluski. That's pretty yummy. If you haven't tried it, just check out these recipes. I will take the picture for my dad. Thank you for watching. See you next time. Bye bye.